Hi, this is Sarah. You may hear some piano in the background and also my fish tank. Um, this is a Barkbox unboxing video. I had an issue where my December Barkbox was shipped by DHL and not the Postal Service as usual. Because of a strike here in Canada, it had an exception. And my January Barkbox didn't move the way it was supposed to. So this must be my December, and so the one I'm going to show you now is, I'm assuming, my replacement January, or my original January. This should be my original January Barkbox. Starting off with this little ship guy. This is the Treats Overboard Viking ship. All natural rubber, treat dispensing, dishwasher safe. Ooh, so you put treats in here, and then it bloop. That's actually really cool. I put my scissors safe. Now, this isn't because I was trying to get a bunch of free stuff off of them. I didn't ask for them to send me another January box. But I did have an issue with the replacement one because it had contained things that my dogs were allergic to. So therefore, they're sending out replacement treats to me out for that. This was the original January box, which still took a little over 6 weeks to get to me, which it shouldn't have. And so they sent a replacement January box just in case. January's theme was Vikings. And then we have, this is a Jones brand, it's just a little one. Actually, two. Bear with me. Two, they're like little crunchy venison shoes. These are gonna be great. My dogs are gonna love these. I'll just take the plastic off. Yeah, so in the overall, I've been really pleased with the customer service. It's really responsive, and the only issues that I had were, you know, just somebody not knowing they had to look for, okay, actually, if you get sent these, they kind of like break apart, so they're really more of like a little treaty piece than they are like a little chew, but my dogs are still going to love them, so that's fine. So anyway, yeah, they've been really responsive and really generous from their customer service departments. They clearly have a lot of autonomy to fix things. So that's good. Another Super Chewer Flying Feast and Treat Catapult, literally a treat catapult, textured design, a smoky bacon scent. I've already received one of these, and honestly, I'm probably gonna pass them both on because it's just not the sort of behavior that we do with our dogs. However, I have friends with cats. I think they would really like them. I think they would totally get some good use out of them. So I will pass that along. And then, oh good. So this is Loki's Smoky Lamb and Salmon. So it's lamb and salmon treats. You can see, I think, through the bag there, they're little flat treats. These are going to go down very well. And then this will be the one that I didn't get before previously because I got the thing that they're not able to get. So this is Thor's Mighty Ham Roast. And these are stick-style treats. These are wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free. So yeah, that's going to work really well. the Dog Nest Monster. My Beagle is currently working on his, and he's really enjoying this. So I'm going to tuck it away, since I have two, and see how he likes it. If he seems to really love it, then I'll keep this as a replacement. But it's just sort of like, you know, it's a thing. I have a girlfriend who has a pit bull who would probably go nuts over this. So we'll see how that goes. But I will take the tag off. I don't remember it being that well wrapped, the other one I opened. So it's just a clear sort of, I don't know, it feels like a silicone, but I think it's probably, all of theirs seem to be all natural rubber. And then the sort of the plastic nylabone feel there. Buddy's already been working on it. Our Beagle. It's heavy, it's worth noting. The large dog toys are like definitely built for a large dog. I went with the large dog size because our largest dog is a large dog. She's a lab mix, so it makes the most sense. And the medium things for like beagles wouldn't be tough enough for her if she decides she's interested in playing with them. And actually it's worked out really well. There's things like the hard rubber balls and things, like they usually throw in every week, what do they call it? A wacky throw. So, and then this one also came with a way to dress your dog like a barbarian for a raid, and then it on the back has the card with all the different toys we could have gotten. But these all seem to be more plushy ones. Yeah, I would definitely buy those. To be perfectly honest, my dogs, I didn't really realize like the toughness of the Super Chewer, and these are great. Like, don't get me wrong, these are really great. But I'll probably see if for the next month I can step down to just because they have a level down from the Super Chewer, and it's just heavy chewer, and it's sort of Kong style stuffies, because that's really their preference. Like, these are great because they're gonna last really, really well. But my dogs like snuggly, even though they murder them very quickly. So yeah, so work through it then. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Again, this is the January box. I may have just received my December. I must have. Yes, I've just received my December replacement finally. The only thing left to get from them, although I don't need it now that this has arrived, is they are sending me 2 treats to replace in the replacement January box, the ones that were things that my dogs were allergic to. So honestly, they've been just so incredibly generous and really great about fixing this problem. I still haven't heard from their shipping team to find out what happened, but based on the box that I received today, I'm going to assume they have switched back to Canada Post from the seams of it, and that the problem was with DHL more than anything else. So that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.